Kia ora, Chrissy back again, and we're going to get into the season finale of Chainsaw Man.
Like, comment, and subscribe, please.
So last time we left off with Aki fighting against Akane. She had the snake devil regurgitate the ghost devil, which was really kind of sad. And now the ghost devil is, you know, squeezing the life out of Aki. He was able to make the deal with the future devil to, you know, get his powers, because the future devil said that he wanted to see the magnificent death that Aki is going to have in his future. I don't think this is going to be it, because being choked isn't really a magnificent death, that I think anyway. So I'm guessing that he is going to be able to get out of here. They are actually in a building right now full of like zombies. The Yakuza that are working with the gun devil, they're in here to try and deal with the samurai sword, whatever his name is, the katana devil. But yeah, we're going to get into the next episode. If you'd like the full-length reaction to this episode, as well as others in the series and other shows, you can go to my Patreon. The link will be down in the description box below. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. Just giving this video a like, commenting, subscribing to my channel. Anything will help. Okay? This is the season finale, so let's get into it. How are we going to get out of this one? Look at all that food.
一本だけ吸ってやる。一生で吸うタバコはこの一本だけだ。未成年に吸わせるなんて最低な先輩だな。
未成年なの？
そうだけど。
よこせ。君が大人になって何かに寄りかかりたくなったら返してあげる。
That addiction's no joke, man. Took me many years to finally give it up. Actually, that's not true. It took me like a day to decide that's it, no more. I was pregnant, so it wasn't that hard to decide. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't be a cigarette. Fuck. I just started. Can we not, please?
幽霊の悪魔には目がないから恐怖心を見る。姫の先輩。
Oh, interesting. He's not scared.
Himeno senpai. もうすぐ俺も行きます。
Don't say that. It's actually kind of sad. Your turn.
殺すな。
Who that? Oh.
小紅、お前はどうして公安に残ったんだ？
もうすぐボーナスが出るので。
Really? Is that why? Not to, you know, pay back. Well, not pay back, but, you know, get revenge for Arai? Jesus, power.
肉は肉じゃろ。豚も牛も人も同じじゃ。
全然違うね。俺たちの仕事はサムライソードを捕まえることだ。捕まえても食うんじゃねえぞ。
Power just needs to, make sure she's got his strength. Go nuts, guys. Have fun.
こいつら気づいてね。大きな声出すなよ。
わしの名は
I fucking love Power.
デンジ、わしについてこい。後ろは任せるぞ。
Denji, come on.
パワーが一番最強だ。
She's the best. Denji, you left her. I mean, she'll be fine. Oh, just like that.
出たなもみあげマン。
Sideburns, man.
少し話さないか。
あ
He cut you in half, Denji. Don't listen to him.
デンジ、お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。その償いをしてほしい。
てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ。
嘘つくんじゃねえ。
Oh, he's dumb. You're a dummy.
ゾンビも元は人間。そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛まないのか。
全然。
心臓が刀の悪魔になっちまってるみてえだが、そんな俺でもな、うっかりゾンビを殺しちまった夜には眠れなくなるぜ。
Really?
少しでも人の良心が残ってるなら俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえ。
Oh, no.
やだ。
なるほど。じゃあ切り殺してやるよ。
Whoa. I love that he took his hand off. God, these two. Oh shit! I was gonna say, fuck. I was gonna say, because he got thoroughly destroyed last time they fought, but then remember, him and Power went through that training. So hopefully, yeah. Hopefully it does him some favors.
この生活を守るためかな。
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんのか。
Compared to before?
だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだ。
お前は俺には勝てね
ああ、もう勝ったつもりでいんのか。俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
え。雑魚だ。
You know, you two could be quite a formidable team if you guys teamed up. Come on, Denji. Oh, Christ! He's quick. Oh. Oh my god. What's he lost this time? The other arm. You're alright. Now you're armless.
じいちゃん殺したこと死ぬ前に謝罪しろ。
まだ戦えるぜ。
Oh my god.
頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね。バカが。
What's it gonna drop? What's gonna drop?
じいちゃんに教わらなかったか。引き時ってやつをよ。
Oh my god.
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとなバーカ。
What? Oh!
ジジイに教わらなかったか。獣が狩人の言葉信じるなってな。
god! Cheeky! Oh my god! Split him right down the middle! Holy shit!
殺してぶっ殺してやら
負け犬の声はでけえな。警察がてめえを迎え来るまでここでじーっと待ってなきゃな。
What the fuck are the cops gonna do? Oh, you mean like the public security people? You're gonna get a few more licks in.
お前には何もできねえだろう。公安の犬風罪がよ。
今から大会を開く。大会？こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって。
Oh, okay.
警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
Jesus Christ.
お前。
Easy revenge.
Ah. 勝ったら何くれんだそりゃもちろんこいつの玉いいな。
It's alright, they'll grow back. Oh, ding dong. Look at him having a good time in the back there.
天国まで聞こえるか。俺たちからあんたへのレクイエム。
I love the commentary. I don't know. I feel bad for any guy that gets his fucking dick kicked.
という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。
Oh.
彼女
Well,
は
I guess I
銃
knew
の悪魔
that.
と契約し、銃をヤクザに流しました。
それでなぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔
Yeah,
の心臓を
why
欲しがった
specifically?
それが聞き出す前に。
Did she get the... Oh, fuck. Oh, Kobeni.
今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
Ooh.
どこに向かって動いた
So they're finally gonna be able to make their move towards the gun devil. Obviously, we're not gonna be getting that in this season because this is the end. This is probably the most normal ending sequence that we've had so far. I knew these three would become great friends. I love it. Oh, Meowie. Oh, shit, okay. I think that one was definitely my favourite out of all of them. Smoke your cigarette. Why do I feel like something's going to happen? I'm getting nervous. Oh, okay. Oh, no. What's happening? Hey. Did we just go back to the first episode? Is this what happened? Is this a continuation from the first episode? What the fuck is happening? What is this? I was gonna say that's Denji. He's a kid.
も見る夢だ。
デンジ
ポーチだ。 夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。
デンジ、絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Why? Pochita. What is happening? Okay, who the hell is Pochita?
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Is that Kobeni? What happened? That was so good. What the fuck? What's that? Okay, I'm just gonna go back a little bit. Does Kobeni have brown hair or black hair? Yeah, she's got brown hair. It isn't a little ponytail though. I don't know. I don't know who that is, but my immediate thought was that it was Kobeni. Maybe it's not. So Denji can grow chainsaws in his legs now, which was very helpful. That fight was really good. You can, you know, his training with I keep on forgetting the guy's name. Kishibe. His training, him Powell's training with Kishibe paid off. So Akane was eaten by her snake devil, so she wouldn't be able to give any information on the gun devil. And we found out that they now have enough of a lump of the gun devil flesh that it started to gravitate towards the location of him, the body as a whole. I guess I'm gonna have to wait for season 2 now, and especially about this dream, the door from the very first episode, and Pochita telling him not to open it. Ever since, you know, Samurai Sword and Akane came onto the scene, I wondered why they were after him specifically, his heart specifically. There obviously must be a lot more to it if it's got, you know, Pochita kind of saying, you know, not to kind of, to me it's like don't dig any deeper, but I guess we're going to have to wait whenever the hell the next season that's going to be coming out. And then this woman at the end, would you rather be a country mouse or a city mouse? What does that have? What is that? Really loved it. The whole, I'm really surprised by this whole show. I did not expect any of like the kind of, you know, the underlying sexual stuff. It wasn't a big part of it. Well, you know what? It kind of was. It was a big part of motivating Denji. Good for him. At the end when we were with Aki and he was having that cigarette, it got me so anxious because I was seriously thinking that, you know, way back when we had the flashback with Aki and his whole family and house just disappeared because, you know, the gun devil, I was expecting kind of the same thing to happen again, that he was going to get killed immediately. Something was going to come out of the darkness. I was expecting something like that, but that didn't. You know, that's what kind of got me very anxious. But the series as a whole, I really, really enjoyed it. I can't wait to see when the next season is going to come out. I don't know if it's been announced or not, but I really need to know what's going to happen next. And I can't wait. Yeah, we're going to leave it there for today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time with a new anime, whatever that may be. Okay? See ya.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.